guys, nandito nga pala kami para magmukbang ng tinupak! Ayun ang aming imumukbang guys. Ito. Ayan, malapit na namin maubos! Oh my God, ang takaw-takaw namin ni Jingjing! Kami ni Jingjing kumain ito guys. Ay, hindi. Na-share namin sa mga dyan, sa kapitbahay yung nagbi-billiard na neighbors. Diba, Jing, no? Yes. Yun lang, guys. Alam niyo ba kung sino gumawa nito, guys? Ako, after how many years, gumawa ulit ako ng tinupak! Sana ay wala kaming topak! Diba, Jing, no? Ayun. Ayun, guys, ang sarap, guys, oh. You know what? Ay, Diyos ko! Ang langaw, Jing. I don't like langaw, you know? Kasi guys, ha? Ano yan? Wow! Ang dami niyang medal! Kasi guys, hindi na kami maghahapunan ni Jingjing. Hindi ba, Jing? Ayun. Kakain na lang kami ng tinupak at saka umiinom kami ng soft drinks, syempre. Sarap ng tinupak, guys. Alam mo, you know how we make tinupak? We smash that to the made of tree. What do you call that? There's a hole, and then you make bayo-bayo like that. You smash like that together with sugar and young coconut until that it's gonna be look like that, like smash banana with sugar in mixing. It's good. Ayun. Yun lang, guys. Bye! Say bye, Jake. Bye, guys!